Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now the first method that we are going to use to disable this language login switcher in WordPress is by using a plugin called disable login language switcher. Now first things first, before we dive into the installation of this plugin, what you can see here is that this is a drop down using which you can basically change languages on this home on this login page. So this is basically the language switcher that we are talking about. So to install this plugin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in first. So let me just log in, and now I am going to head over to plugins and I'm going to click add new, and I'm going to search for this plugin. And you can see right over here, this is the plugin that we are talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click install. I'm going to click activate. Now as soon as I will activate this plugin, it will disable the language switcher on the login page. That's it, nothing else you have to do. It will automatically disable the login language switcher. It's very difficult for me to say these things, so let me just log out and show you. You can see right over here the language switcher is gone. Okay, so this is the first method. Now in case this method has worked for you, then make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications. Now the link to this plugin will be in the description box below. Now feel free to download and use this plugin. This plugin is basically available for free. Now the second method that we are going to use to disable the language switcher on the login page is by using another free plugin, which is the disable login language selector. Now before we dive into the installation part, you can see right over here is the language switcher. Now after the installation, this language switcher will be gone. You will not see it on this login page right over here. Okay, so for the installation of this plugin, let me just log into my WordPress dashboard and then I'll take you through the process. Now to install this plugin, what you need to do here is that you need to go to plugins, then click add new, and then search for disable login language selector right over here. Now this is the plugin that we are going to use. This is another free plugin. Now to install it, what you are going to do is you are going to click install, and click activate, and that's it. That's what you need to do, and the login language switcher has been disabled on the page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out, and the language switcher no longer exists on the login page. And that's it, you have successfully basically disabled this feature in WordPress on your site. Now if this method has worked for you, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Also the link to this plugin and our socials are in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. It helps out a lot. Now the last method that we are going to discuss for disabling this language switcher on the WordPress login page is by adding a code snippet to the functions.php file. Now this method is for the more advanced users who are comfortable in editing theme files and then adding the code snippet to it. In case you are not comfortable with these things, then I will recommend you follow the first two parts of this tutorial that we have discussed. Those are using plugins and it simply requires you to install them and it automatically disables that feature. So it cannot get easier than that. This method is slightly complicated, and in case you are not comfortable, then you might feel slightly lost or confused, and I don't want you to be in that position. Now, keeping that in mind, the code snippet that we will be using can be found on two articles on our website. The first one is right over here. You can copy it from here. Now, links to both these articles will be in the description box below. Now, coming to the tutorial, you can see the language switcher is right over here. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to log in first, then go to the theme file editor and search for the functions.php file and then add this code snippet. Now I am here in the WordPress dashboard. Now to visit the theme file editor, what I need to do is click appearance, then go to the theme file editor right over here. Now it is important to know here that if in case you are looking to add this code snippet to the functions.php file, then make sure you are using a child theme. Now the reason behind this is very simple, and that is the main themes receive updates on a regular basis, and when you update them, the code snippets automatically gets deleted. In that situation, the feature will return back. The code snippet will be deleted. So make sure you are using the child theme. Now another thing that you need to remember here is that, as you can see, the functions.php file is right over here. Now in situations where you do not find this file right over here in the child theme, let's just say your child theme does not contain this file, in that situation what you need to do is you need to head over to the file manager in your WordPress hosting dashboard or cpanel, whatever you can call it, and then from there you need to head over to the WP contents folder, where you will find the folder for your main theme, for the parent theme. You need to go into that folder, copy the functions.php file and paste it in the child theme folder. Now once you do that, you just need to refresh the page and you will find the functions.php file in the list. Now to add the code snippet to the functions.php file, what you need to do is select this file and it will open a file like this. Now your file might be different than me, but what you need to remember is that you need to go down till the very bottom right here, copy this code snippet from here, copy, paste, and then click update file. You can see right over here the file has been successfully edited. It clearly states that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out, and you will see the language switcher no longer exists on the login page. To log out, let's just click this, and there you see the language switcher no longer is there on the WordPress login page. Now again, this method is for the more advanced users. Now I will be creating a tutorial for how to add code snippets to the functions.php file, but you need to wait for that. Now again, links to basically everything, both of these tutorials will be in the description box below that contains the code snippet. You do not have to share your email address in order to access these code snippets. You can just basically visit these articles, copy the code snippet and paste it in the functions.php file. Now this concludes all the three methods that we had to discuss in this video for disabling the language switcher on the WordPress login page plugin. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.